From an unbelievably nice, gorgeous late winter day, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0. Today, 2 pork loins on the grill dome. There, I've done it. I've been having trouble with this introduction all afternoon. First time I tried to do this introduction, for some reason the camera was focusing off of this ugly red umbrella. I don't know, I guess it's what the camera thinks is the predominant thing out here. You're the star of the show, man. Say something. Come on, do this intro for me. Anyway, because I like to support local businesses, these are going to be Dorothy Pork Loins. Dorothy Lynch salad dressing. It's a local product. It's great. Everybody raves about it. It's really great to cook with. We are going to inject 2 pork loins with it. But we're also going to mop both of these pork loins with Dorothy Lynch, mixed with a little bit of Shao Hsing. It's an Asian rice cooking wine, and 12% alcohol by volume. 12%. Therefore, it's going to be in a mop. I'd love to inject the pork loin with a mixture of the Shao Hsing and the Dorothy Lynch, but 12% alcohol by volume. We're going to kind of hold off on that until the end of the cook. Going to keep the temperatures up on the grill dome. I think this is going to work. This might be a good intro too, you never know. So stick around. Everything began about an hour and a half ago with a single flame. And my preferred charcoal, you knew that? Or was that 2 flames? I think I had trouble with that too. Anyway, you get the idea. They are lit jealous devil right in the middle. I'm not going to be a little bit of a fire starter in there. I'm not going to be adding the racks or anything, the deflector plate, anything like that for a while. I want to get this temperature dialed in at 275 while we prep the pork loin. Well, it looks like we've settled into a grill temperature of about 250 degrees. That's just about perfect. I want 275. We'll adjust that in mere moments. Get this thing ready. And like I mentioned a little earlier, I haven't added anything to this yet. I just wanted to get the coals going. Right here we have a mixture of fruit wood for smoking. A little bit of alder in there perhaps. I'm not really sure. This is something I blended up I think last summer, so I'm sure there is a little bit of alder in there. It'll be perfect for a pork loin. Deflector shield or deflector holder thingamabob there. Deflector plate, also known as a pizza stone, which I've only used once, I think, for pizza. And our grate, which needs to be cleaned. We'll let the heat do that here in a moment. Let this come back up to temperature. I'll be right back with the pork loins. Stay tuned. Beginner mistake, I guess. I feel like a beginner because I'm only making about one video a month now. Forgot to hit the record button. As you can see, we've got both our pork loins on there. The grill dome is dialed in at 275 degrees, going for an internal temperature of 160 degrees on both of these pork loins. We'll be back to mop this momentarily. As far as the video is concerned, it's going to be a while before I do it in real time, so stick around. I bet you can't even see that thin blue smoke. That's how thin and blue it is. It's exactly what you want. That thin and that shade of blue. You can't even see it. You can sure smell it. All right, we're about an hour and a half in, 90 minutes, mission elapsed time. I just took a bunch of temperatures and we're getting real close, so I think it's about time to baste these bad rabbits. And as you may remember, this is our Dorothy with Hsing. 12% alcohol by volume. So you definitely want this on the outside, not the inside. Unless, you know, you don't have kids and you don't care and you want to catch a buzz from dinner. You could do that. I could do that. Anyone could do that. Nobody said you had to go light with these with this baste either, so. Coat, soothe, and relieve, you know? All right. So we'll let this set up for a little while. Hopefully it'll get nice and sticky. It'd be great. All right, I just checked temperatures on this, and shut up, dog. We're about 160 here and there, 162 in some places. I got 159, but hey, for all intents and purposes, these bad rabbits are done. Check that out. Done before the sun goes down. You gotta love that. What is happening here? Are we turning back into the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe? Dogs all day long. Yep, 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 yep. Oh man, look at that. I wish you could smell this. Let's eat.